You know what's funny? Jealousy isn't always about the other person, it's about us. It's raw energy, unrefined. And like all energy, you can either let it corrode you or carve you into a sharper, better version of yourself. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Think about it. When you feel jealous, your heart races, your thoughts spiral. It's fuel, but most of us waste it by comparing, complaining, or collapsing under the weight of why not me? I'll tell you when it hit me the hardest. Years ago, I lost a project to another designer. Honestly, my first reaction? Pure jealousy. I thought, why them? I worked harder. I deserved it. For days, that feeling gnawed at me. But then I asked myself, what if I redirect this energy? Instead of sulking, I studied what made them win. Their presentation, their storytelling, their pitch. And I realized jealousy wasn't my enemy, it was my mirror. It showed me what I lacked and it pushed me to sharpen my edge. That experience didn't break me, it built me. My jealousy transformed into drive, and that drive made me land projects far bigger than the one I had lost. So, next time jealousy creeps in, don't deny it. Don't drown in it. Ask, what is this trying to teach me? Remember, jealousy is just energy in disguise. It can rot you from within, or it can reforge you into the best version of yourself. The choice, my friend, is always yours. Till next time, I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.